Hello everyone, you're watching Data Analytics Professionals and I'm Shahnaz Malik. Let's quickly jump into today's lecture topic. Now, current topic for this lecture is SQL insert into statement, and this is lecture number 37 given by myself. And let's quickly keep it simple and straightforward so that we all understand what insert into statement does. So the SQL insert into statement is used to insert new records in a table. Okay, so if you see insert into syntax is simple. Insert into, then you give the table name and the columns. Okay, column 1, column 2, column 3, and so on, and then the values, value 1, value 2, value 3, and so on. And this is one of the way to do it, and I suggest at this moment of time only do this way, and in future I might show you other way as well. Now let's quickly jump in and have a look how to do all this in our studio, right? So let's open our Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio and have a look how to work on it. Okay, so now I have here a few. Okay, you don't need to. Okay, if you don't have the customers table, let me show you. So at the moment, if we go, so here is my database which I'm going to use. I'm using my Data Analytics Professional DB. Okay, and if by any chance you don't have the customers table, okay, if you don't have one, so all you need to do is execute this statement. Okay, let me quickly do it for you so that you guys are aware what I'm doing. Okay, if you maybe somebody has joined just now, and for him, I'm going to drop this customers table. So here I am executing this query. Excellent. So command was successfully executed. So if I check now tables in my database, so I have only client, so I don't have this customer table. So to create this customer table, as I have shown you in the previous one of my previous lectures, it's create table and give the customer, give the name of the table, and then provide the column and their data type and the size of the data type and some constraints. Okay, so is it a null value allowed or not, and we have spoken about it. I'm not going to talk about it again. So again, I'm going to just create this one. So execute, and oh, it's incorrect. So line number 15, what is incorrect? Oh, you see, I have not taken completely off the comment. Okay, so again, so here is it is successfully, so command completed successfully. So we reached to the point. So if anyone didn't have this table, now he will have. Now let's now we know there's nothing inside this table, right? And we can confirm that from a simple select statement. So if I select this one, let me select first this. Okay, so I'm selecting everything from my customers table, and of course it will return nothing because it's an empty table. It's nothing here. Okay, I can show you, maybe use some magnifying tools. Okay, it's nothing. It's return empty set. Okay, that's okay, that's not a problem. So let me cancel this. Now let's go back, and what should we do now is, this is what we are trying to learn. Okay, we don't need now this, we don't need that, and I can close, comment this section again. And to be very honest, I can comment this one as well, but let us comment this section as well. We don't need this one. So this one is now, we don't we need to concentrate, why I do all this, just to make you guys concentrate on what we are going to achieve. Okay, this is our lecture topic. We need to achieve this. Okay, this is what we are looking for. And let me quickly go back and recall everything where we have been in this lecture. So if you see that we are trying to use insert into table, okay, statement, and then we are providing column names and we are providing values, and that's what it is here. So we are using insert into, then I'm mentioning where I want to insert. So that is my customers table, which I just now created if you didn't have one. And then I am giving the column name, first name, middle name, last name. Okay, I want in these three columns, the first will be first name will be Shaz, middle name will be H, last name will be Malik. Okay, and that's it. So these are in insert into, so column names and values. That's it. Let's quickly, it's nothing too difficult here to understand. And if you see, one row is affected, okay, affected, one row is affected. So if I again show you using this, how you call it, okay, I don't know why it's not working. Anyway, let's quickly come back to here. So all we have inserted now this record inside this table, and let's quickly check. So I'm selecting everything from customers, which is again the same table, and let's quickly execute it. And here is that record, and I want to show you through this magnifying, because maybe someone is watching this on small mobile device, and for them it's better to take care so that everyone is happy. So if you see now, here is customer ID, and that is automatically generated for us, if you remember. And here is the first name Shez, and here is the middle name H, and here's the last name Malik. You see, and this is how simple it is. This is, I can't go simpler than this. Now, excellent. I think that should be it for this lecture, and it is time to then say, if you like this lecture, then please subscribe, connect to my account if you haven't done so until now, and please hit the notification bell so that you get notified as soon as I upload new videos. And I hope to see all of you in next video. Until then, thank you all for watching Data Analytics Professionals. And with all that, it's time to say goodbye to all of you. But please and please subscribe, because that gives me more motivation to make more videos for all of you guys. And if you are interested in a particular topic, or something is not understood well, or maybe I have missed a point, or couldn't explain somewhere anything what you were expecting, please do comment, and I will take those comments and do my best to get back to you on those comments. And maybe I will make an additional video for that, so that it's helpful for you and all of others. With that, it's time to say goodbye.